Hello children, I am Prasanna. Welcome to my channel Mathematics by Prasanna Lakshmi. Today in this video I am going to explain 6.4 exercise sums in Unit 6 ratio applications of 7th class. So in my last video I gave introduction to percentage and what is percentage, how to convert percentage into fraction, how to convert fraction into percentage and all. Okay, now in this video we are going to solve these word problems of 6.4. Coming to first question, in a school X, 48 students appeared for 10th class exam, out of which 36 students passed. So out of 48 students, 36 students were passed, and in another school Y, 30 students appeared and 24 students are passed. So here, if the district educational officer, that is DEO, wants to give an award on the basis of pass percentage, here we need to take pass percentage because the total students in school X and in school Y are not same. If the total students are same, then we can find out in which school the more students are passed, right? So we have to find the pass percentage, to which school he will give the award. Now coming to here, school X. Total number of students. How many students appear? 48. Now number of students passed. How many out of 48? 36 students. So we find out here pass percentage. That is, how many students passed? 36 out of how many? 48. Here 36 by 48 is a fraction, children. So how to convert a fraction into percentage? We need to multiply with the 100%. Now if you know 12 table, you can cancel with 12 3s are, 12 4s are, and with 4 you can cancel with 100 as 25. So here 3 into 25%, that is nothing but 75%. So for the school X, we got 75% pass percentage. Now we are going to find school Y. So coming to school Y, total number of students. How many total number of students in school Y? 30. So out of 30 students, how many students pass? Here 24 students. So we'll find out here pass percentage. So what is the pass percentage? 24 students passed out of 32, and it is a fraction. How to convert a fraction into percentage? Into 100%. So here you can cancel 6 4s are, 6 5s are, and 5 1s are, 5 20s are. So finally you will get 4 into 20%, that is 80%, right? So which school got more percentage here? School X we got 75, school Y we got 80%. So you know that 80% is more than 75. Then which school will get an award? DEO will give award to the school Y because it got 80%. DEO will give award to school Y. Coming to second word problem, children. Last year the cost of 1000 articles was 5000. So this year it goes down to 4000. Here the value is decreased, children. From 5000 to it decreased to 4000. So what is the percentage of decrease in price? Means they are asking how much percentage in decrease. So here the cost of last year. First we will write last year. Cost of 1000 articles. How much is given? Rupees 5000. Now this year cost of 1000 articles. How much? Rupees 4000. So the value decreased. So decreased price we will find out first. Decreased price means how much decreased? That is rupees 5000 minus rupees 4000. So how much decreased, children? It is decreased 1000 rupees. Now we will find the percentage of decrease. So how much decreased here? 1000 rupees decreased. On what it is decreased? It is decreased on rupees 5000 into 100%. Here rupees gets cancelled. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0 gets cancelled. With 5 when you cancel it is 5 to the 20. So how much was the percentage in decrease children? 20% is the answer. Next, coming to third word problem. Sri Jyoti has a basket full of bananas, oranges and mangoes. So if 50% are bananas, 15% are oranges, then what percentage are mangoes? Here total means 100%, you know, right? So first we find out percentage of bananas. How many they have given? 50%. Next, percent of oranges. How many? 15%, right? Now we need to find remaining percent is mangoes. So percent of mangoes are nothing but out of 100% we should remove 50 and 15. That is addition of 50 and 15. That is 100% minus how much children? 50 plus 15 is 65%. So 100 minus 65% is how much? 35%. Right? Coming to fourth question children. Fourth question is also similar to this. They are asking 64% plus 20% plus dash equal to 100%. So it is very easy. So here we need to find, sir, you can replace this dash with x. So 64 plus 20 is how much? 84% plus x equal to 100%. What is x now? 100% minus 84%. So how much is that 100 minus 84? That is 16. So you will get 16% as the answer. Coming to fifth word problem. On a rainy day, out of 150 students in a school, 25 were absent. So find the percentage of students absent from the school and what percentage of students are present. Here, total students how many? Right? From 150 students, number of students absent is given in the question. That is 25. So how many students present children? So number of students present is nothing but 150 minus 25. That is how many? So 125 students present. Here we have to find the percentage of students absent and what percentage of students are present. So first one we'll write percentage of students absent. So how many students absent children? 25 students. Out of, always the denominator should be represented with total. So out of how many students? Out of 150 students. So 25 by 150 and it is a fraction. How to convert a fraction into percentage? Into 100%. If you do, here 0, 0 gets cancelled and 5 3s are 5 2s are and that's it. So 25 2s are 50 by 3 percentage. So 50 by 3 means we will get in mixed fraction. How much? 15, 16 3s are, yes, 16, 2 by 3 percentage. So how many percentage of students absent is nothing but 16 2 by 3%. Now we need to find percentage of students present. So how many students present here? 125. 125 out of how many? 150. So 125 by 150 into 100%. So you can cancel 0, 0, 5 3s are, 5 2s are. So 125 2s are how much? 250. 250 by 3 percentage. That is nothing but 8s are 24, 80, 3 1 by 3%. So this is one method. Otherwise, if you get the students, number of students absent as 16 2 by 3%, so you can find the number of students present as 100% minus 16 2 by 3%. So when you find out LCM 100% minus how much you will get? 16 to the 48, 50 by 3. That is, if you take the LCM, 300% minus 50%. That is 250% by 3. Same like 250 by 3%. So you will get 83 1 by 3%. Coming to sixth word problem. Out of 12,000 voters in a constituency, 60% voted. find the number of people voted in the constituency. Right? Here, total number of voters how many? 12,000. Out of 12,000, only 60% voted. So here we need to find how many people voted in the constituency. So number of people voted is nothing but 60% of 12,000 we need to find, children. So how to remove percentage symbol? We should divide by 100. So 60 by 100, off is nothing but multiplication into 12,000. Now 0, 0, 0, 0 gets cancelled. So 60 into 120. So 12 6 are 72 and 2 zeros. So out of 12,000 voters, only 7,200 people voted in the constituency. Next question, 7th one. A local cricket team played 20 matches in one season. So if it won 25% of them and lost rest, how many matches did it lose? Here, total matches how many, children? Total matches are 20 here. So how many matches won? Only 25% matches are won. Here we can find, then out of 100%, how many matches lose? That is 100% minus 25%. That is 75%, percentage of 75% matches lose. Here they are asking how many number of matches lost. So number of matches lost is nothing but we need to find 75% of 20. Here 75 by 100 into 20. You know 25 3s are, 25 4s are, 4 1s are, 4 5s are. So finally you got 3 into 5, that is 15 matches. So number of matches lost, how many here? 15 matches lost. So how many matches won here? Can you find number of matches won? Out of 20, 15 lost. So 5 matches won. Now coming to 8th question, children. In every gram of gold, a goldsmith mixes 0.25 grams of silver and 0.05 grams of copper. And what is the percentage of gold, silver and copper in every gram of gold? Here, in 1 gram, quantity of silver is how much? 0.25 grams, right? And what is the quantity of copper? 0.05 grams. So remaining is the quantity of gold. So how to find the quantity of gold? They did not give here what is the quantity of gold mixed, but in 1 gram. So from 1 gram you should add these two and subtract. So how much you will get? 1 minus 0.25, 0.05 is nothing but 0.3. That is 1 minus 0.3 is how much, children? 0.7 grams. So out of 1 gram, quantity of gold is 0.7 grams. But they are asking you to find the percentage. So first we will find the percentage of silver. What is silver here? 0.25 into 100%. Here when you multiply the decimal with multiples of 10, the decimal will move to right side as many as zeros are there in the 100. Here for 100 2 zeros, so decimal will move to the 2 places right side, so you will get 25%. Or we can also convert the decimal into the fraction and can do, children. Percentage of copper is 0.05, right? Percent into 100. 0.05 grams into 100%. So here 5 can be written as 5 by 100 into 100%. When you cancel and 100, you will get 5%. Similarly, we will find the percentage of gold here. How much gold got here 0.7 into 100%. That is 7 by 10 into 100%. That is nothing but 70%. So when you add 25 and 5 plus 70, finally you will get 100. Here last 9th question in this exercise, children. 40% of a number is 800, then find the number. Here we don't know what is that number. So shall I take, let the number be x. Okay. So 40% of a number is 800 is given. So 40 by 100 of means into a number is nothing but x equal to 800. Right. Now here we can take this 40 by 100 to the other side. It is under multiplication. When it transpose to the other side, it will become division. So 800 divided by 40 by 100. So convert this division into multiplication by taking the reciprocal. So 40 by 100 reciprocal is 100 by 40. Here 0, 0, 4 ones are 4 20s are. So when you do 20 into 100, you will get 2000. So x is 2000, that is number is nothing but 2000. You can check, children, here. That is 40% of number. How much did you get here? 2000 is nothing but 800. We'll check whether you will get 800 or not. So 40 by 100 into 2000. 0, 0, 0, 0 get cancelled. So 4 2s are 800. So finally you will get 800.